folks, it's Rex at Harmony Hollow. I've got a customer who has requested that I do some preventative ceiling maintenance on their home. They've had bees at a different location in their house in the past, so we are up on a second floor soffit, taking care of some future possibilities of where bees might come in. So any place where your trim and brick has a 1/4 inch gap or more, that's a wide open door for bees to come in. So let that be part of your winter maintenance, is to seal up any gaps, especially if you've had bees in the house before. The smell of old comb or anything left residual in the wood or impregnated into the wood is going to smell like home to bees. So they're going to be checking it out in the spring. So now's the time to go ahead and seal up anything that looks like it might be a compromised place in your home. All right, y'all have a great day. Asher in.